one is multifamily. It was on yesterday, it's on today, and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we just passed it.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Battery check. I'm still good. Rockstar check.
Still there?
Still good.
Still good? Okay. No. I wonder when they're gonna sponsor us. They must be like
Must be drawing up the papers.
probably,
Just taking them some time.
and then they're like, let's make it a surprise for them.
I think that's what's going on.
Yeah. They just don't want to mess up a good deal, so they're just getting all the documents together that they need.
They're watching all our episodes so they can impress us with their knowledge of us.
That's totally what's happening. I'm sure of it.
I mean, that sounds like the most plausible to me.
Me too.
If you ignore my laughter.
No, I'm laughing with you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not at me?
No. Not for 10, no, I don't think.
Yeah.
It's cute. It's a bit of a weird shape. Like, why is it oval? I don't know. They're usually round on their side tables, but...
Look at that. Is that a sewing basket?
Probably, yeah. It's cute. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, Batman.
Tim would probably want that.
Would he?
I don't know.
Take a picture and send it to him.
I can't unlock my phone now that I got a Band-Aid on. Hello, little guy.
Is it cold out here for you?
He's scared. He's a scaredy cat.
Is he? Oh.
But he's also a licker. He isn't licking me yet.
Not yet. Just sniffs so far.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're a little cutie.
It's okay.
No, he hasn't messaged me back.
More of those stepping tones.
Oh yeah. I think my ass is pretty nice.
Never.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Didn't hear back from Timbo?
Nope.
Oh. Snooze you lose. You give him the address, he can drive over here and get it.
Be a long drive for him.
Yeah, might be closed. Well, they're open tomorrow.
Oh wow.
Yeah? So you could
He
drive
leaves right now.
drive all night
Yeah.
to get that lunch kit.
He could probably actually be here before they close tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, still going.
Still going. Okay.
Okay, so we are a block away.
Okay.
We're on a bumpy street here. Might be wearing, better not be spitting any back.
I don't think so. Do I get to drink the rest if I say
No.
yes? Oh.
Okay. Should be here. What are we looking for? 904?
Yep.
Other side of the street.
Yeah.
To my side.
Mm-hmm. And what's wrong?
Did I clear that driveway?
Mostly.
Okay, good enough then.
Okay.
Battery check. Yeah, I need to replace the battery.
Okay.
I can meet you there.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I like this. CK1.
Oh yeah, I like that too. Is that
We can
men's or
both
women's?
use, well, it's unisex, I think.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we'll get that.
I know. I know.
Oh, that's expensive. Obsession is really expensive.
Oh yeah, that's another good one.
Do you like it?
Well, I'll see.
Oh, I don't know about the women's. I've had the obsession for men.
Yeah, this is the $2 is super cheap for that.
Like I was
Sure I
like,
could-
You might be able to resell it even
Yeah.
if you don't use it.
Yeah,
and she said, and how
I want these. Oh, look at all these. $2. There's a lot of perfume samples in there.
Alfred Sung. A lot of Alfred Sung.
yeah, it's like
Hard to say.
so the sidewalls are
McClintock.
I know.
I don't, some of those I just don't know what they smell like.
for added stability. I'm glad I saw that.
It smells like alcohol. too.
Yeah.
Almost Spanish.
Yeah, exactly.
These are
Yeah.
those ones you see in the park.
Get you the information.
Mix it with the Rockstar.
Yeah,
Might be good.
yummy. Oh, I've had these. These work pretty good. Just get rid of your mustache.
But you don't have a mustache.
See, it works.
Did I hear that correctly?
Yeah, you did.
I think it's VSOP.
I haven't even heard of that.
You haven't, oh, it's just a brand of fashion jewelry.
I gather.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, that does smell good.
I don't know how much it is
That's
new.
good. She'll go down.
Yeah.
Can you do a little better on your incense?
Well, we'll see what do we got all together here.
Oh, give me $1.
Like $1 is what I was thinking.
So is this all of your stuff here? All the perfumes and everything? Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 3?
Yes.
8. So then and 9. Okay.
Oh,
Do you want that too?
oh, I was just looking to see what it was. It's spices. That's
Oh,
what it is. Spices.
At exhibition or whatever you get them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I just didn't know what it was.
yeah.
That was what, $9?
9, yes.
I appreciate your willingness to deal.
Yeah.
No problem.
Well, it's a garage sale, you know. It's that's half the fun.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. What you got? I don't know.
Something I use if it's mixed.
Oop.
Because I still do use
Well,
it.
here, look through and whatever. I don't know. It's like she always gave
Oh, the sampling
yeah, the
things.
sample. yeah.
the freebie stuff when you bought. I don't
What's
know.
those little bottles? And then she passed away.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know.
Well,
I
that's
don't
a
use
sad
it
story.
anymore. Yeah, she had what,
Time-wise,
ovarian
mass.
cancer or Mary Kay rep? She was
Aw,
giving you
that's pretty
samples.
sneaky cancer too.
Yes.
I think you don't even really know.
Well, that's not Mary Kay, but it's
Oh,
Victor and Ralph Flower Bomb. It's good perfume.
okay.
It's like lotion. Anyway, I don't know. I just
Oh yeah, and that looks nice.
anyway. No pressure.
Yeah.
I should have.
What are
I
you
forgot I
wanting
had it.
for your
Oh,
stuff?
This is
This? No. A couple bucks for this stuff?
yeah,
Okay,
that's fair.
good. Just add it to my pile.
you guys been busy today?
No.
I wonder if it's the weather.
It's
I
the
don't know.
weather.
Thank you.
I mean, she put it online, and I wanted
Yeah.
to put it on the flea market, but there was no flea market today.
Oh, we found it online.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I
which
think
are
that's where most people. It must be the weather.
probably. It doesn't scare us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Medicine cabinets.
Yeah, no, that's great.
A little dense.
Yeah.
Well, in Mary Kay's pricey stuff. So.
It is. So yeah,
This is how she buys her
I'm
stuff.
happy to get,
When's the last time you bought something in a store, like makeup-wise?
a long time ago.
Years.
And so yeah, when I go in, I'm just like, oh, sticker shock. Ready?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too.
You too.
Hopefully it picks up for you.
Yeah. What's this thing?
Oh, it's a little Rough Rider.
Like hibachi
grill.
thing, yeah. Yeah. No.
That's really fun looking. It's hilarious.
It is funny.
Have a good day. Oh, I got some makeup.
Yeah. Yep. And those perfumes, that's a good deal.
Yeah. They are pricey. Are they both Calvin Klein?
And the Obsession too is pricey.
Mm-hmm.
I'm worried you might not like that one, but it's okay. I'll put that one on when I'm mad at you.
Okay.
Well, hello. Did you come to say hello? Oh, thank you for the kisses. Another new person.
Hello, buddy. Oh, kisses. Oh, kisses.
Two legs.
Aw.
He's such a good little part.
Yeah, so friendly.
He loves people, but it's like he was sent here
To make everybody happy.
and especially me.
Yeah.
We'll follow this one now.
Yeah.
Trying to unplug the dash cam. Hey guys, well it was a wet one, but we're glad you came with us anyway. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps promote this video to people who don't know about us yet. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing and it means that you'll get notified every time we put out a new video. We love you guys and we just can't thank you enough. We're on our push to 10,000 subscribers this year. I don't know that we're gonna get there, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna keep pushing anyways. We're gonna try our best. And we can't do it without your help. So if you know friends, family that you think might like our channel, definitely tell them about us. We'll see you next time, guys. On to the next.